Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, then go to people, select contact which you want to add photo, then tap on this icon to edit it, then tap on the camera icon to add its photo. You can select a photo from the gallery or just open camera and take it right away. Select albums, then select photo which you want to set as the contact photo. Here you can crop it, then tap done, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.